In this video, I'll go over the relationship between self-awareness and manifestation. We will uncover how a deep understanding of oneself transforms the process of manifesting desires into reality. Manifestation, often perceived as a mystical or magical process, is deeply rooted in our psychological and emotional landscapes. Through this narrative, we will see how the lens of self-awareness not only clarifies our desires, but also aligns our actions, thoughts, and emotions towards achieving our deepest aspirations. The psychological foundations of self-awareness. Self-awareness is the conscious knowledge of one's character, feelings, motives, and desires. This fundamental aspect of psychology is crucial for personal development and growth. According to Daniel Goleman, a pioneer in emotional intelligence research, self-awareness is one of the key components of emotional intelligence. It allows us to understand our emotions and how they influence our thoughts and actions, which is essential for intentional living and effective manifestation. Scientific research supports the idea that self-awareness is critical in achieving desired outcomes. A study by Sutton, 2016, highlights that individuals who exhibit higher levels of self-awareness tend to have better emotional and impulse control, which are vital skills for setting and reaching personal goals. This control is akin to a skilled sailor navigating the vast ocean. The sailor must understand the sea and weather conditions, self-awareness, and know how to maneuver the ship, actions to reach the desired destination, goals. Metaphor, the mirror and the painter. Consider the metaphor of a painter with a canvas. The mirror, self-awareness, shows the painter, the individual, their true reflection, not just the surface appearance, but the deeper layers of their emotions and thoughts. With this accurate reflection, the painter can create a masterpiece that genuinely represents their vision. In manifestation, self-awareness acts as this mirror, reflecting our innermost desires and the obstacles that block these desires, thus allowing us to paint our lives in alignment with our true intentions. The role of self-awareness in manifestation. Manifestation is often discussed in the context of the law of attraction, which suggests that we attract into our lives what we focus on. The critical element here is not just focus, but a focus that is aligned with our true selves and intentions. Self-awareness sharpens this focus, helping us to identify and prioritize our genuine desires, and importantly, recognize and rectify the incongruences in our thoughts and behaviors. For instance, if someone desires a successful career, but subconsciously fears success due to past traumas or failures, this fear can sabotage their efforts. Self-awareness helps identify these underlying fears, allowing the individual to address and overcome them, thus clearing the path for true and uninhibited manifestation. Scientific insight, the impact of mindfulness. Research has shown that practices like mindfulness meditation significantly enhance self-awareness. A study by Cross et al., 2014, revealed that mindfulness meditation improves our ability to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, which enhances our understanding of ourselves. This increased self-awareness directly impacts our ability to manifest by helping us align our emotional and cognitive energies with our goals. This alignment is crucial for the law of attraction to effectively work in our favor. Real-life example, Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey's story is a testament to the power of self-awareness in manifestation. Long before he became a successful actor, Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, dating it 10 years in the future. This act was not merely wishful thinking, but a clear visualization of his goal, grounded in a deep belief in his talents and potential, elements of self-awareness. Carrey's understanding of his abilities and his unwavering focus on his goal are prime examples of how self-awareness and clear intention can drive manifestation. The law of assumption, expanding understanding and application. The law of assumption is a powerful principle in the realm of manifestation, suggesting that whatever you assume to be true becomes your reality. Unlike the law of attraction, which focuses on attracting external things through the frequency of your thoughts, the law of assumption is about embodying the belief that the desired state is already your reality. This section explores how self-awareness deeply enhances the application of the law of assumption, enabling more effective and transformative manifestations. Deepening understanding of the law of assumption. The law of assumption posits that by assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you invoke a reality where this wish is actualized. It's about living in the end result, mentally and emotionally occupying the state of having already achieved your goal. This psychological and emotional alignment is critical because it bypasses the need for external evidence and focuses entirely on internal experience. Scientific perspective on assumption. From a psychological viewpoint, the law of assumption can be linked to the concept of self-fulfilling prophecy, where one's expectations or assumptions about a situation or themselves can influence behavior to the point that these assumptions become a reality. A study by Rosenthal and Jacobson, 1968, demonstrated that if teachers were led to expect enhanced performance from children, these children indeed perform better, attributed to the teacher's changed behavior towards them based on their expectations. Metaphor, the actor and the role. Imagine you are an actor preparing to play a role. The law of assumption is akin to method acting, where you immerse yourself completely in the character, not just performing on stage, but living as the character off stage. By embodying this character fully, without breaking from the role, you create a reality for yourself that aligns with the character's world. Similarly, by assuming the feeling of your desires being fulfilled, you align your actions, thoughts, and emotions to this reality, enhancing the likelihood of manifestation. Self-awareness. Enhancing the law of assumption. Self-awareness plays a pivotal role in effectively utilizing the law of assumption. It allows you to critically examine and adjust your assumptions, ensuring they are genuinely aligned with your desires. Self-awareness also helps in recognizing and transforming subconscious beliefs that may contradict your conscious assumptions. Visualization techniques. Engage in visualization exercises where you see yourself already living in the accomplishment of your goals. Use self-awareness to notice any feelings of doubt or resistance that arise during these visualizations and address them directly. Affirmative declarations. Create affirmations that reinforce the reality of your desires. Self-awareness will enable you to tailor these affirmations to directly counteract specific doubts or fears, making them more effective. Behavioral alignment. Act as if your desires have already been manifested. This might involve making small lifestyle changes or decisions that align with your new reality. Self-awareness helps you identify behaviors that are out of alignment with your assumed state, allowing you to make conscious adjustments. Real-life example, Arnold Schwarzenegger's success. Arnold Schwarzenegger is a prime example of the law of assumption in action. Long before he became a world-renowned bodybuilder and actor, Schwarzenegger visualized his success in great detail. He assumed the identity of a champion from the start, which influenced his training regimen, his approach to competitions, and his overall demeanor. His deep belief in his success, paired with his actions, ultimately led him to achieve the goals he had set for himself. Deepening self-awareness, techniques, and practices. To truly harness the power of manifestation, one must engage in practices that deepen self-awareness. This section explores practical techniques that not only enhance self-awareness, but also improve one's ability to manifest desires effectively. Mindfulness meditation. One of the most effective techniques for enhancing self-awareness is mindfulness meditation. This practice involves focusing on the present moment and observing thoughts and emotions without judgment. Regular mindfulness practice has been shown to increase cortical thickness in the prefrontal cortex, which is associated with higher-order brain functions such as awareness, concentration, and decision-making. Research by Lazar et al., 2005, indicates that about 30 minutes of daily mindfulness meditation can significantly improve focus and self-awareness, leading to better decision-making and goal-setting capabilities. Key components of successful manifestation. Journaling for clarity. Another powerful tool for developing self-awareness is journaling. By regularly writing down thoughts, feelings, and experiences, individuals can track patterns in their behavior and emotional responses that might otherwise go unnoticed. This practice allows for a deeper understanding of one's triggers and tendencies, facilitating more precise control over actions and responses. Journaling acts as a personal audit. a way to hold oneself accountable and align daily actions with broader goals, thereby improving the efficacy of manifestation efforts. Therapeutic interventions. Engaging with psychological therapy can also significantly boost self-awareness. Techniques such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and dialectical behavior therapy, DBT, help individuals identify negative thought patterns and behaviors, understand their origins, and develop healthier ways to cope and adjust. This level of insight is invaluable for removing subconscious blocks to manifestation, ensuring that one's mental and emotional resources are aligned with their manifestation goals. Feedback from trusted sources. Seeking and reflecting on feedback from trusted friends, mentors, or colleagues is another method to enhance self-awareness. This external perspective can reveal blind spots in one's self-perception, offering new insights into personal strengths and areas for improvement. Such feedback is crucial for adjusting one's self-image and strategies, thus optimizing the manifestation process. Metaphor. The sculptor shaping the stone. Imagine you are a sculptor with a block of stone, your potential. Self-awareness is your set of tools, shaping the stone into the desired form. Each tool, whether it's mindfulness, journaling, therapy, or feedback, plays a specific role in chipping away what's not needed and refining what remains. Just as a sculptor gradually reveals the form within the stone, you use self-awareness to reveal and bring forth your true desires. Real-life example. Oprah Winfrey's path to self-discovery. Oprah Winfrey's journey exemplifies how self-awareness leads to powerful manifestations. Her commitment to personal growth through books, meditation, and collaboration with spiritual leaders and therapists has helped her understand her inner world deeply. This understanding has allowed Oprah to manifest a life aligned with her deepest values and aspirations, from her influential TV show to her philanthropic efforts and beyond. Oprah's life shows that with self-awareness, one can effectively channel one's energies towards achieving significant, life-altering goals. Final reflections and moving forward. As we conclude our exploration of how self-awareness influences the way we manifest through the law of assumption, it's clear that the journey towards realizing our dreams is deeply intertwined with our journey towards self-understanding. The ability to manifest effectively, turning our deepest desires into tangible realities, relies not just on our actions and thoughts, but fundamentally on our self-perception and the assumptions we hold about our capabilities and potential. The essential role of self-awareness. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of this process. It serves as the internal compass that guides our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors towards the outcomes we desire. Without a clear sense of who we are and what we truly want, our efforts to manifest can be misdirected or ineffective. By fostering a deep connection with our inner selves, we enhance our ability to align our assumptions with our true aspirations, thus setting the stage for the law of assumption to operate most effectively. Practical steps for integration. As we move forward, consider implementing the following practical steps to enhance your journey of self-awareness and manifestation. Regular self-reflection. Dedicate time each day or week to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This practice can be facilitated through journaling, meditation, or simply quiet contemplation. Seek feedback. Engage with trusted individuals who can provide honest feedback about your blind spots and areas for growth. This external perspective can be invaluable in deepening your self-awareness. Continuous learning. Embrace opportunities to learn more about yourself through new experiences, education, and even challenges. Each new situation provides a platform to test and refine your assumptions and beliefs. Consistent practice. Regularly practice the techniques discussed, such as mindfulness and affirmations, to reinforce your desired state of being. Consistency is key in making these practices yield tangible results. Empowerment through self-awareness. By empowering ourselves with self-awareness, we not only enhance our ability to manifest our desires, but also gain a greater sense of peace and fulfillment in our daily lives. The journey of self-discovery is continuous, and each step forward enriches not just our ability to achieve what we aim for, but also our overall quality of life. I invite you to begin this journey today. Choose one or more of the practical steps outlined above and commit to integrating them into your daily routine. As you grow in self-awareness, watch as your ability to manifest transforms, bringing you closer to the life you envision. Remember, the most powerful assumption you can make is that you are the creator of your own destiny. Armed with self-awareness, there is no limit to what you can achieve.